bicycle?
Yours.
Okay. What's my name?
Wilson.
Okay, ¿dónde está Mimo?
Right here.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay. And where's the old tire?
Right here.
That's the new one. Okay, so we're going to replace.
And the sun is really. And no light. No light.
See the bike? That's the new one. Okay, that's the new one. And you want to show me the old one?
Yeah.
And that's the old tire. Okay, so this. Okay. So we ready?
Yeah. Oh, it's all videos. I'll turn it. So Wilson needs to go on this end. I need to go to this side. Let me. See you in a little bit.
Okay. Hold on. So you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
This is on, this is off. Shoe. Shoe is This is the last one. And then we're gonna ride.
Where we going? Okay, let's go.
And look at my bike. My bike is all the way over there.
Show your bike. Where your bike at?
So this is my bike. This is my bike. This is my own bike, and Wilson and my mom buy for Christmas. Thanks. rider bikes. That's the last one.
Mm-hmm.
And we're recording the video. And come to our video.
Mm-hmm.
Me and Wilson.
Show the bike.
So, this is my bike.
Mm-hmm.
And this is Wilson's bike.
Okay.